Hello dear students, today is your English class and in our today's class we are going to learn about past simple tense. In our previous classes we have already learned about present simple tense and present continuous tense, and now today's topic is past simple tense. First we will read this sentences. We all went to school before COVID-19. You played cricket. You went to temple. You watched movie. Now we have learned about present simple tense. Tell me, what is the difference between present simple tense and past simple tense? In present simple tense, we used the first form of the verb. But in the past simple tense, here we have used this second form of the verb, went. This went is the second form of go, means past form of the go. Then played is also the past form of play. Went is past form of go, and watched is past form of watch. This past form of the verb shows the past simple tense. It shows that the work is done, work is already completed, work is already finished. पास्ट सिंपल टेंस में वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म को यूज किया जाता है, पास्ट फॉर्म को यूज किया जाता है, और ये पास्ट फॉर्म ये शो करती है कि कोई भी वर्क पहले किया जा चुका है, कंप्लीट हो चुका है, फिनिश किया जा चुका है. मीन्स द सेकंड फॉर्म और पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब शोज द वर्क or the action has already finished in the past. Now what is simple past tense? Simple past tense is used when the action has already finished in the past. Means to say, when the work, when the action is already completed, already finished in past, yesterday, then that is called simple past tense. Let's see how to form sentences in simple past tense. Like present simple tense and present continuous tense, we can also form four types of sentences in past simple tense. Present simple और present continuous tense की तरह ही past simple tense में भी four types के sentences form किए जाते हैं. First one is affirmative sentences, then negative sentences, interrogative sentences and interrogative negative sentences. Past tense always shows that work has been completed in the past, work has already finished in the past. Now to form the affirmative sentences in past simple tense, we always use the second form of the verb to form the sentences in past simple tense. Means in past simple tense we need past form of verb, past form of action to form the sentences in the past simple tense and in affirmative sentences. प्रेजेंट पास्ट सिंपल टेंस के अंदर अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को फॉर्म करने के लिए हमें हमेशा एक्शन की सेकंड फॉर्म यानी पास्ट फॉर्म का यूज करना होता है. नाउ हाउ टू फॉर्म अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस इन पास्ट सिंपल टेंस. लेट्स सी. Past form of verb. We need past form of verb for affirmative sentences in past simple tense. Now the structure is subject plus verb to, means second form of the verb, then object and then full stop. For example, let's see. I went to school. Here this I is subject, then went is second form of the go. Went is the second form of action word go. Then to school is an object. Children played. Here again this children is a subject. Then played is a second form of the verb, means past form of the verb. You watched TV. You is a subject. Watched is second form of watch and TV is an object. Means to form the affirmative sentences in past simple tense, we always use the second form or past form of the verb. Let's see how to form the negative sentences in past simple tense. In past simple tense, to form the negative sentences, we need did not plus verb first form. Here we will use the first form of the verb in negative sentences because here we are using did and did is the past form of the do. नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में सेंटेंस को फॉर्म करने के लिए वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज की जाएगी बिकॉज हियर यहाँ पर हम डिड डू जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती है उसकी सेकेंड फॉर्म डिड को हम यहाँ पर यूज कर रहे हैं. सो वी विल यूज हियर द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड देन नॉट देन फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब देन ऑब्जेक्ट देन फुल स्टॉप. लेट्स सी द सेंटेंसेस. I did not go to school. Here I is subject. Then we will use here the past form of do means did, then not, then first form of the verb means go, then to school is an object. Next sentence, children did not play. In this sentence again here children is a subject. Then we will use did means past form of do, then not, and then first form of the verb means play. Next, you did not watch TV. Here you is a subject. Then according to this structure we will use here did, then not, then first form of the verb means watch, and then TV. Let's see interrogative sentences. To form the interrogative sentences in past simple tense, we need did, again first form of the verb and question mark. Now the structure is did, subject, verb first form, object and question mark. Always remember it, to form the interrogative sentences, we always put the helping verb do, does and did at the first of the sentence at the starting of the sentence. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस फॉर्म करने के लिए जो भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब को यूज किया जाता है वो हमेशा सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में रखी जाती है एंड एट द लास्ट वी हैव टू यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क. नाउ द एग्जांपल्स आर डिड आई गो टू स्कूल क्वेश्चन मार्क. Here did is helping verb and here did is used because we are forming the interrogative sentences in past simple tense. So we will use here did. I go to school. I is subject, go is first form of the verb, then to school is an object, and at the end of the sentence we will use here question mark. Did children play? Did is helping verb for past simple tense, then children is subject and play is first form of the verb. Did you watch TV? Again here did is helping verb. We have to use helping verb did in past simple tense to form negative sentence and interrogative sentences. So we put here did at the first of this sentence. Then we write subject you, then first form of the verb means watch, and at the end we will write TV as an object. Next is interrogative negative sentences. To form interrogative negative sentences we need did, then not and question mark. इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस को फॉर्म करने के लिए हमें डिड, नॉट और क्वेश्चन मार्क की जरूरत पड़ती है. These are some examples of interrogative negative sentences in past simple tense. First, we will put here did because we are forming interrogative negative sentences. After did, we will write subject. Then we put not because it's interrogative negative sentence. Then first form of verb, then object, then question mark. See these examples. Did I not go to school? Question mark. First we will write here did because this is interrogative sentence. Then subject I, then not because it's also an negative sentence with interrogative. Then go first form of the verb, then to school object, and at the end we put here question mark. Did children not play? Did you not watch TV? Let's revise once more time. Past simple tense is used when the action has already finished in the past. Past simple tense का यूज तब किया जाता है जब कोई एक्शन या वर्क पास्ट टाइम में यानी पहले के टाइम में किया जा चुका है, कंप्लीट हो चुका था. Then we can also form 4 types of sentences in past simple tense. First is affirmative sentences, then negative sentences, then interrogative negative, and at the last interrogative sentences, and the fourth is interrogative negative sentences. To form affirmative sentences in simple past tense, we need the past form of the verb, means second form of the verb. And to form negative sentences, interrogative sentences, and interrogative negative sentences, we need helping verb. And we will use here did as an helping verb. Did is a past form of do. And with this past form of do, we will use here first form of the verb. नेगेटिव, इंट्रोगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को फॉर्म करने के लिए हमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब यानी डिड की जरूरत होती है. हम डिड का यूज करते हैं और डिड के साथ में हमेशा वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म को यूज किया जाएगा in negative, in interrogative sentences and interrogative negative sentences. And this tense always shows the work that has been finished in the past time. Okay, now that's all for today. In our next video, we will learn about past continuous tense.